What's up, guys? Welcome you all to another episode of Level Designing. Today we will design another level for olive oil product. We have the full description of the project from the buyer. As you can see in the doc file, they have provided all the information that we require to make the design. Your organization name, industry, description of the organization, and the most important thing, the contents that we will use in the design. They also have provided the logo file with some kind of designs, which is pretty interesting. And they have mentioned in the project description that we can manipulate this design, that they need a generic level design based on the logo they have attached, and they have given us the freedom to manipulate colors and font, etc. So we will see how we can come up with an amazing design for this project. So without any further ado, let's jump on the Adobe Illustrator and start the work. At first, we need to create a rectangular shape. We will use the dimension of 3 into 9 inches. Then we will adjust the size according to level. Let's enter it align. Now we will make it black color. Now we will reduce the height from the top side. Go to the effect and select warp, then arc upper. Then we will use maybe 30%. Yeah, 30% is good for this design. Then hit OK. Now I will copy this, then I will paste it on front. Just to show you guys how to do it, I'm using the mouse, but from now I will use the keyboard shortcut to make it quick. Right click on it and then copy, then again right click on it. Now I will change the color of the top object for make it separate, so we will understand which one is the background and which one is the top part. Now I will reduce the size of this top shape because we will make it little smaller than the black one. All the design and text will be in this top part, and the back part that we have in black color, we will use that for the border. Now I will adjust the size for the text placement and will increase the bottom part because we will write something on the bottom part. And now our level has the perfect dimension of 3 inches into 9 inches. Let's change the color. I'm using this website to take my colors. You can just type the color names and they will show you plenty of colors with color code. Very easy to copy. Just click on the color code and it will copy automatically. I'm using gradient color for the set part because I will use kind of goldish white. You can adjust it until you find the correct color. Now I'll change the color of the back part. I'm going to use olive color, darker olive color for this one. Now it's time to place their logo. We will copy the logo from the file they have sent, and I will resize it to place it on the top part of the label. Now I will copy this inside shape and paste it on front. Then I will change the color to exact same as the background. Then I will convert it to as a stroke, and then from the effect panel I'll select offset path to make a thin border inside this shape, and then we will do the same for the background as well. Now it's time to copy the text and paste them in the design. Then we will start to place them in different parts to make the design beautiful. I will place the produced in Andalusia on the top arc. So let's separate this text and move it to the top arc. I will change the color to match with the top center part, and then I will copy this border and paste it on front. Then we will make an offset path to this border in outside. Then we will cut the left and right edge of this border. Because we want to use this top arc to write this text. For that, we now need to cut this text first and then select the type on a path tool and then click on the left corner of this shape to write on it. Make sure to have the paragraph center aligned. Then we will use a suitable font for this text and then increase the size to cover the space. Now I will separate the word classic and then we will place it under the logo and we will highlight this word with design. We will use this writing in all uppercase. Then we will use a classic font for this. Now I will use the arc effect on this text to have a slight bend on the upper side. Now I will create an oval shape and then I will convert it to a stroke and then place it on the top and bottom of this text. Let's change the style of these two strokes and make them a little thicker. Now I will create a dotted arc on the top. For that we need to create a circle first and then we will customize it. Now we will create two bullet points to place them on the both sides of this text. Now I will place the word unfiltered under the word classic. Let's cut the text and paste on there and change it to uppercase and find a suitable font for this. Now it's time to add the word extra virgin while underneath that in a little distance so they look separated. I will bend this word a little to match it with the word classic. And then I will place the text of made from the best olives harvested in Andalusia a little down further and this will be in olive color. Let's use a nice font for this. And now it's time to place the word acidity level 0.4%. We will use the same font as we have used for the word made from the best olives harvested in Andalusia. But this will have a black color and in uppercase letter. I will separate it in two lines. The 0.4% will go on the second line. This way it will look shorter and cooler. Now finally it's time for the product weight to be placed and I will place it on the bottom outer side of the olive background that we have. We will use a cursive font for this one as we have used for the other word on the top arc. Let's add two horizontal lines to emphasize this. Let's arrange all the text and logo to utilize the full space. I will add the icon of the logo underneath acidity level 0.4% and will decrease the opacity to make it look faded. After adjusting it a little, our design is fully ready for print. Thank you so much for watching this full video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will try my best to reply you. And also you can suggest me for the next video what type of packaging design I should make. You can visit our website for lots of amazing graphic templates. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.